Hi viewers, welcome to Free Tech Solutions. Today we are going to learn comments in HTML. Let us start with an example. This is the basic HTML document with one paragraph tag. See, let us save this file. File save as. On the desktop I am saving it as test.html. Save. Let us go to the desktop, open the file. You can find the output here, which is mentioned in the paragraph tag, and this is the title of the page. What my requirement is, I need to write some sentences here, but it should not be displayed in the output. Got it? I need to write some sentences here, but it should not be displayed in the output. Why I need to write some sentences here? Because see, here it is body opening. Okay, this is body opening, this is body closing. I want to mention that here the body opens and here the body closes. See, let me write down here body opens, and where the body closes, here I want to mention here body closes. Let me save this file, save, refresh the file. See, you are getting the output here, body opens and body closes. You are getting the text which you have written here. But what my requirement is, I should not get these two lines in my output. This is just for documentation. That is, when someone sees this document, he should understand that, he or she should understand that this is body opening place and this is body closing place. So I need these two sentences not to be appeared in the output. To do so, the concept comes here is comments in HTML. To do this, we have to use comments in HTML. Let us do that. To write down the comments, to make these sentences as comments, open the brackets, then next exclamatory, double hyphen, and double hyphen, close brackets. Similarly to this, open, exclamatory, double hyphen, and double hyphen, close brackets. Now save this file, save, and the output. See, now the two lines are disappeared. Why are those two lines disappeared? Because these two lines we kept in comments. Simple. To make some lines in the HTML document as comments, open it with this and close it with this one. That is, open bracket, exclamatory, double hyphen, at the closing point, double hyphen, and close brackets. Now let us go to the site and go to the concept. HTML comments. See here, comments in HTML are tags which describes a line of code or piece of code but cannot be displayed in the browser. See, the output will not be displayed in the browser but will be in the code. The browsers ignore the comments while reading the data from the HTML file. What will these browsers do? They will ignore the lines which are placed between this opening and this closing tag. See, this is the opening and this is the closing tag. Whatever the content present between these two, opening and closing, it will be ignored by the browser. See, here is the example. Let me copy this example. Copy, Control A, paste it here. So you can see here three comments. Document header starts here, document header ends here. This is a paragraph. Let me save this file, save. See here, only two lines will be appeared. This will be appeared in the title. This is the document title, and here comments in HTML tutorial. Let us see the output. Refresh. See, comments in HTML. That's all. These three lines, document header starts, document header ends, will not be appeared. So when you go into the output, it appears like this. See, comments in HTML tutorial. That's all. Today we have learned how to make comments in the HTML. In the next tutorial, we will be learning the HTML attributes. If you like this video, please hit like and share with your friends. Thank you.